Good evening and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you the best way to eat raw garlic. As I had mentioned in my video from yesterday, some foods are best eaten raw, and one of them is garlic. I have seen recommendations that you should consume garlic by chewing and swallowing it. However, this method would not be suggested. Garlic can be hot, and chewing it will coat your mouth in the sulfuric flames. There are definitely better ways to consume raw garlic. But first, let's make sure you are getting the most health benefits from the garlic. You need to let it sit for a minimum of 5 minutes, after cutting and before eating it. This allows the health-promoting allicin to form. If you do not let it sit, allicin is not formed, so it is worth the wait. Now here are a few better ways to consume raw garlic. Eat an apple and garlic. This may sound like a strange combination, but the goal is to hide the garlic, not to create a new favorite snack. Ohio State researchers discovered that raw apple can break down the compounds that cause garlic breath. Place thinly sliced garlic between 2 slices of apple, and you will manage to hide the flavor as well as the evidence. The compounds that cause garlic breath are part of the same group of compounds that are often credited for health benefits. The exact link is unclear. Parsley, spinach, and mint had the same effect in this study, making them good choices for a post-garlic breath freshener. You can also chop a garlic clove into small-sized pieces and swallow the pieces with a drink of your choice. Choosing a drink with fat in it will dull the flavor. A thick smoothie, milkshake, or kefir consistency makes it a lot easier to swallow garlic. Since raw garlic can be a little tough on the stomach, you can start out with a smaller amount and work up if needed. Lastly, there are the obvious ways. Adding crushed garlic to pesto, salsa, guacamole, and dressing. Whichever way you decide to consume garlic, make sure that it is raw. The health benefits of garlic are numerous. It helps fight heart ailments, cold, cough, and lowers blood pressure. However, consuming too much of it is also not very good, as it may cause irritation in the digestive system. As little as 1 clove of garlic per day may bring a vast improvement in your overall health. The only drawback is its pungent smell and taste that leaves bad breath. But other than that, garlic is a medicinal advantage for mankind. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.